everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious and quick and easy recipe. You don't have enough time on your hand and you want to make garbanzos, chitte chole, organic garbanzos, chickpeas, and these are pre-cooked. I'll open the can, we'll drain the water, then we're going to use it. To make it tasty and delicious, I'll be using 1 can of chicken breast. This is 354 grams. Organic tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons. 3G paste, 1 teaspoon. All these spices are half teaspoon. Black pepper, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala. To garnish our dish, we're going to use cilantro. I'm not going to use the salt since these products are in can. You always can adjust salt according to your taste. And olive oil for tadka. The chicken is also pre-cooked. I took it out of the can, and same thing with garbanzos. And we call it chitte chole. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Start burner. Get a fry pan. Two teaspoons olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, add 3G paste. Mix it. Cook ginger, garlic and green chili paste until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Give like a 20 seconds. This is good. Add sauce. Mix it well. Add garbanzo. Mix it well. Add chicken. Mix it well. This is very quick and easy recipe. Chicken is pre-cooked, garbanzos is pre-cooked. Now I will add cumin, coriander powder, black pepper, garam masala. Spread it evenly. Bring the gas to medium. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. Cooking with the cover lid for 3 minutes. Mix it well. Our dish is all ready. This is very quick and easy recipe. Now the last ingredient, add cilantro. Mix it well. Our dish is all ready, and I will turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready, and I will dish out. Look at quick and easy and delicious appetizer recipe. Chicken garbanzo. Let me share with you. Our quick and easy and very tasty and delicious recipe. Prior to serving, add some fresh diced onion. This is one of the quickest and easiest and the simplest and delicious appetizer. It does not take that long. Within 5 minutes, this dish is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.